Hi everyone, today I am doing a day to night makeup tutorial. In this video I'll just show you how to do a long lasting day makeup look and then transform it easily to a night makeup look. All the products that I'm going to use in this video are available at Nykaa.com and I'm going to put all those links below. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you how you can prep your skin and do your makeup so that it lasts all day, and then when you want to take your makeup from day to night, suppose you have to go for a party or something after work, how you can just add a little more drama and glamour to your look with just a few makeup items. So when you want your makeup to last the entire day, you must use a primer. So I'm going to use the L'Oreal Base Magic Primer today. A primer will help your foundation last much longer and it will prevent the breakdown of your foundation because of the natural oils of your skin. Now if you have dry skin otherwise with only an oily T-zone, you can just concentrate the primer in this area. But because I have oily skin all over my face, I'm just going to apply the primer all over. With my primer done, I'm now going to work on my base. I'm first going to use a concealer. Normally I use a concealer after my foundation, but this concealer also acts as a corrector because it's got a slight orange tone, so that's why I'm going to use this before my foundation. This is the L'Oreal True Match Concealer and the shade I have is medium. I'm just going to dot a little bit of this under my eyes. I'm also using a little bit of this around my nose and mouth. And then I'm just going to blend it out. Because I want to take my look from day to night, I'm going to use a long-lasting foundation. This is the Revlon Color Stay Foundation for combination to oily skin. The shade I have is Warm Golden, which is tiny but light for me, so I'm just going to mix it with a slightly darker foundation. The Revlon Color Stay Foundation gives pretty good coverage. I'd say it's like a medium to high coverage foundation, and it stays really well throughout the day, which is why I've chosen this. It also comes in another variant for normal to dry skin, so if you have dry skin you can try that one out. So my foundation is done and now I'm going to set everything with powder, and I'm using the L'Oreal Matte Magic Powder. The shade I'm using is Nude Honey. Now for my cheeks, I'm going to use this palette from Makeup Revolution. This basically has 3 shades here. We've got a bronzer, a highlighter and a blush. And this is a really handy kit to carry in your handbag as well. So I'm just going to show you how you can carry this and take your look from day to night. Now for the day, I don't want too much of highlighting. I want just a bit of color on my cheeks, so I'm going to use the blush. So I've got that blush on, and just for the tiniest bit of glow, I'm going to use a little bit of that highlighter. You can also use a little bit of this on your brow bone. And just a little bit on the inner corner of your eyes as well. And this is just going to brighten up your eye. Now for the eyes, I'm going to use a brown eyeliner. The one I'm using is by Lakme. This is the Forever Silk eyeliner in the shade Earthline. And this is a pretty long lasting brown liner. I'm just going to apply this along my top lash line. And right after application, I'm going to use a cotton bud just to smudge this line a little bit. To finish off the eye makeup, I'm just going to curl my eyelashes, and then I'm going to use the Colorbar Zoom and Whoosh mascara. Now you can use this mascara in 2 ways. If you use this pink part, the brush picks up much less of the product, so you get a much more subtle look. So that is perfect for day, and for the evening you can just cut the silver part and then you get a lot more product on the brush and you can get a more dramatic look. And to finish off the look, I am going to use this lip color. This is actually a very long lasting matte lipstick from Colorbar. It's called the Kiss Proof Lip Stain, and the shade I have is called Hot Latte. And it's a nice pinkish brown color. So this applies with kind of a glossy finish, but in about a minute or two it's going to dry down completely to a matte finish. That's the finished look for the daytime look. Now to take this daytime look to a nighttime look, the first thing you want to do is touch up your base. So there might be areas where you've got a bit of oil or your concealer has worn off. So I'm just going to reapply my concealer a little bit. Once I've touched up my concealer, I'm just going to use a bit of powder to set everything and to take away any excess oil on my face. Once again, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Matte Magic Powder. And you also want to carry some kind of a retractable brush. Now this is one by Vega, and it's very convenient to carry because it completely folds up like this. So once you have touched up your base, you want to add a little more dimension to your face, and for that I'm going to use this palette once again from Makeup Revolution. Now for the day look, I only use the blush and a little bit of the highlighter, but for the night look I'm going to use this bronzing powder. And then I'm going to use a bit of the highlighter to add a nice glow to my skin. Next I'm going to do my eyes. Now for the eyes, I have carried a black eyeliner with me, and I'm just going to do a wing dye with this. After the eyeliner, I'm just going to go back in with this mascara that I used for the daytime look, but now I'm going to use the silver part, and that's just going to give me a little more volume. And to complete this day to night transition, I'm just going to add a pop of color on the lips. I'm once again going to use the Color Bar Kiss Proof Lip Stain, but this time I'm using a beautiful red color. This is the shade Hollywood, and it's the perfect color for an evening out. I bought these Color Bar lip stains online from Nykaa.com. I had a gift card to use, and I used that to buy 2 of these lip stains. Gift card is a new feature on the website. You can now gift people gift vouchers, and they can redeem them to buy whatever products they want. That finishes the day to night makeup transition. This is the finished night look. All the products that I've used in this video are available online at Nykaa.com. So I'm going to put all the links of these products in the description bar below. Don't forget to check that out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any requests for future videos, please leave me a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.